microwave. Okay. Hello everyone. Whew. How are you doing? Let's go out today. Let's go visit let's go visit my friend. Let's go to my friend's house first. That lives at the next bus stop away from me. I think the road is messy. I wouldn't want to wash my shoe again. It's better I go and turn. Let me go take the other road. This route is messy. Hey, this cross is even coming down. Okay, let's go visit my friend like I said. I'm not going to take this route anymore. I don't want to wash my shoe. Let me go and take the straight road. The normal road. I always feel this place is faster. That's why I like taking this back of the forest. What I beg. I don't want to dirty my shoe. Let's go take the normal route. Today is very sunny. You guys can see how sunny it is today. Very, very sunny. I want to go to my friend's place to just hang around. Hey, come in, my trouser is full. Okay, let's go.
Aber es ist ja auch eine Anlage, weißt du, dann aber.
Yes, so there.
The next day.
Hey guys, I just got back home and wow, it's a long time. I got back home like not quite long, I guess like 20 minutes ago. So I've quickly changed into my house robe. I like wearing this house robe because they're always warm. That's why you guys always see me wearing house robe. You know, I like the feel on my skin. So I'm on my house robe now, and I saw this pack. I think I have a package. I think this is my phone pack. This is the third phone pack we are ordering now, and I hope it's the right one. See the former ones that we ordered, 2. So I'm going to send it to Nigeria for my sister to sell. Put it among my luggage, and you know, she'll sell it. This thing is not clear. I don't know. Anyways, let's just open it together. Let me see if it's the right one. Come here. Let me change this thing to camera. Okay. Let's see if it's the right one. I'm tired of you know, us ordering phone pack. I'm not getting the right one. I don't know why we keep making that mistake. Anyways, let's just see how this one looks, if it's the right pack. I can't wait. I've been trying this, and this my phone is very slippery. Very slippery. It has fallen, like, you know, it has fallen a few times, and you know, and the back is very, very slippery. So I'm very careful with it. That's why I'm always hanging it on this my tripod. Even if I'm going out, I put it on this tripod. I use the other tripod, the small one. I had the small one. It got broken. So that thing that you have to pull to put the phone inside, I had to remove it from the, you know, I screwed it out from the other one, that small one. I screwed it out. So that's what I've been using to hold the phone. You know, ever since my phone pack got spoiled, my phone pouch got spoiled. The one that came with the phone from America. Ever since that one got spoiled. Thank God, it's the right one. It's the right one. I've even seen the back. The back alone has confirmed that is the right one. So I'm happy. I'm happy. You're not seeing it well. Look at it. Ah, thank God. I chose green this time around. Yeah, I chose the green pack this time around, just to have something, you know, something different from the usual pack, because normally all my packs are always black. So I told you that, guys, that I just mentioned initially that we took our time, looked at all the phone packs, you know, for which phone, when we wanted to order this third one, because I said no, I'm not going to make us waste money, you know. So we really took our time to look at it, like I said, and I got it. We checked every picture of it, and you know, I saw it. I said yes, this is it. So, oh, it's so beautiful. Look at it. Oh, I'm even supposed to make a video. Coming, guys. Let me make a screenshot. I'm coming, guys. Okay, I've done the video. Yeah, the picture. Maybe I'll just attach it to my what is it called, my thumbnail. Also, I took the picture. Oh, this pack is so fine. Oh, I'm blushing. It's beautiful. Ah, it's like suede. It's so beautiful. Let me fix my phone. I'm gonna stop this, try to focus the phone inside and see how it looks. Okay, I'll be back again.